just going to show you guys how to fill up your antifreeze on a Volkswagen CC, or probably any Volkswagen, or better at that, any car. Just going to point out some quick things for you guys who are beginners and don't know anything about cars. This is where you fill up your windshield washer fluid, and it doesn't hurt to fill it all the way up. It's not going to harm anything at all. This is your oil dipstick right here, and this is your antifreeze. But make sure that you do not open this when your car was just running. I've got this unscrewed. You turn it counterclockwise, and this symbol right here shows you like temperature. That's what that means. And warning, do not open. Pretty much they're trying to tell you don't open it when it's hot. And this is your level where it's minimum and higher. I actually just filled this up. It was extremely low. I don't think I have a leak or anything. I've just never filled it. So you can use a funnel if you're filling this up. I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna make sure I put a little bit more in there to get it to where it needs to be. And make sure you put in a good fluid in there, not some cheap stuff. It's good. I think I got it to the level I wanted. That's it. Just need a little bit more. This is also where you put your oil in. And that's about it. This is your oil filter. If you ever change your oil, make sure to replace that along with every oil change, and use a full synthetic on these cars if you have one. All right, so that's about it. That's how easy it is to fill up your engine coolant pretty much on any vehicle. They all look a little bit different, but what you're looking for, some of them just say engine coolant on top. It'll say the word. This Volkswagen does not. It just says, has this temperature thing. And you have to, I guess, be a psychic. So thanks for watching, and give me a thumbs up. Have a good day.